All right, guys, here we are. It's cruise day. Woo! it's kind of sad because all the people getting off, you can tell how sad they look, and then we're getting on and we're all happy. Oh, alas, 7 days from now we'll be just as sad. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy it. But this is the port of Vancouver. These are the cruise ships already pulled in. Serenade of the Seas is down there in. That's where we're going. Let's get through the process. All right. All right, guys. We just got through customs and all of the necessary stuff to go between countries and cruise ships and things. And we're ready to go on the cruise. Check it out. We're headed that way. I hope we can board the ship. We had a boarding time of 11 a.m. I think that was actually good because, I mean, like, literally, you can tell in here where it's like, gets backed up. A lot of lines to wait in, but we got through pretty early. So let's get on the ship. All right, guys, we're getting on the Serenade of the Seas. Yes, so awesome. Here we go. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Serenade of the Seas. It made it back to port. No mechanical issues this time. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Thumbs up. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Here we go. We're on the ship.
Can I ask what's your master station? E14. So for A14. Okay, so you go all the way to the end and then you go inside.
Oh, mine's right here.
One up. Yeah, it's inside the one next.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is T9. Do I just go right here?
Someone there. How about you all go together? Just tell them you're sitting together and just see if you can do together.
We can go this way. No, it don't matter. Hello.
Which station? T9.
What's up, guys? It's Vancouver from the deck of the Serenade of the Seas. Yeah. This is the running track right here. You can run on this track. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's nice out here. Beautiful. Wow. Let's go back. Let's go this way. Yes, sir. All right. Yo, we're going to our room. It's ready. Serenade of the Seas. They should rename this ship the Barge of the Seas. A lot of technical issues it's had, but oh well. I got a positive attitude about it.
I wasn't able to get in that door, but I got the other door.
Yeah, because you're an opportunist.
No, there's a reason behind that. Mine was in somebody's room. On the opposite side on a completely random place.
Was it someone else in our
No,
party?
I walked by because the door was open and I saw the watermelon tank.
More speed. he goes. That's gonna be on the video. What are you gonna do with the video? Put it on YouTube? Alright, what's up guys? We're heading up to Alaska, to the Inside Passage. Our first stop is going to be Juneau, Alaska. First day of cruise so far is an awesome day.
I couldn't imagine this in the winter.
I know, that's crazy, isn't it?
Look at the squirrels.
Gorgeous.
Look at the squirrels.
Mm-hmm. We're swirling. We're making waves. We're making currents with the ship. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Pretty. And okay. I think we found like a little hidden deck on the ship. You walk out on the fourth floor and come all around to the back. Pretty cool. Nobody's here. Look at this. Isn't it cool? Yeah. Cool. All right. Yeah. We're on the helicopter pad on the front of the ship. This is pretty cool. Check it out, y'all. Go to the very front. Look at that. What time is it?
10:05.
It is 10:05. 10 p.m. 10:05 at night.
July 20th.
July 20th. Going toward Alaska. Now check it out. That's crazy.
I want a whale to just jump up.
I need my really good camera for this, you know. What's up guys, it is day 2 of our Alaskan cruise on the Serenade of the Seas, and we are going to Ketchikan?
No, Sitka.
Sitka first. I don't know where we're going. We're going to Sitka first. We should be there tomorrow, but it's rough. I'm assuming this is what they would consider the North Pacific. Yeah, we're in North Pacific, off the coast of Canada and close to Alaska, but it's a rough one. Y'all check this out. She's rocking and rolling. y'all think about that, huh? There you go. But it was rough. It was rough earlier. Trying not to get the sun so you can see, but I can't see. I need sunglasses. It was rough. We were watching the Broadway show down there in the theater, and it was like rocking and rolling up there in that theater. But it was a really good show. All right, well, day 2 almost wrapped up here on Serenade of the Seas. We're going to Alaska. We'll see y'all later. It's bright. Oh yeah, the elevators on the Serenade they can be problematic. It's like you have a bank of elevators here, and then you got a bank of elevators over there. Serenade of the Seas with no music at the moment. Check it out. So no copyright strikes. Y'all get this. It's past 9 p.m. and look outside, it's still daylight here.
Yeah.
See the windows over there? That's crazy, isn't it?
I know.
It's past 9 p.m. and it's still daylight outside. Ooh, this northern stuff is getting to me. Woo-wee! All right, maybe the drink's getting to me. Be real with y'all guys. I'll be real. Real video, real raw. It's like reality TV, DIY Mitch's Garage. Catch y'all later.